can see. Come a little closer to me. It's the roller coaster. Don't feel defeated. I'll give you motive. I'll give you a reason. I can't find your love nowhere anymore. I wanted you to stay with me, to stay with me, to save me. I wanted you to stay with me wherever you go.
Show me a whole heap of what this in the one. I'll never manage this. Don't know what's going on. There is sir.
Okay, when I said 11. Okay, so what we get for the money then? Cool, sounds good. Tira, I have to talk to my boss and then we get back to you, okay? Alright.
Afternoon, babe.
Good afternoon. Go on to your babes. You look so frustrated.
Because I'm frustrated. Robert, you don't stop drinking all the piggy juice.
Yeah, they are the good people.
Leave Ashley juice them alone.
Alright. So how frustrate you now?
I don't know how much longer I'm going to deal with this teaching thing, you know.
Why? How happened now?
I can't bother with the high school thing, you know.
Low and big people at the high school now, you don't care.
And that's my issue. You remember the little boy who beat up the boy at school over in clubs?
Yeah. How happened to the youth?
The little boy, I forgot to do surgery and then me arrest the other one.
A prison figure, you know. Look how him do the youth over one pair of clocks.
Well, a big fight broke out at school today. That's not even a fight. That was a beating.
Beaten?
A girl beat up another one today. Thump her up in her face, draw her by her hair, and kick her in her back.
A joke you make.
The worst thing is, you see the one where I get the beating? Not even a fight back.
And she a kick her in her back.
Robert, the semi hard hurt me. She put a punch up her spine, you know?
So how the school are gonna deal with that?
Me don't even know.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah, man. I'm good, you know.
You know, like how you look from the other day, you know. It's like something about that.
No, man. I'm alright, butcher.
I tell me that, Marissa. All a blind man can see something wrong with that.
I just have a little personal issue, you know. What I deal with.
Marissa, you know say you don't have to deal with the problem them alone.
You have your own problem, you know. I don't want to add to them.
Don't worry about that now. And you me and talk about. Just tell me what about it.
I just need to make some more money.
So I'm going to ask you something. Between the farm and the bar, that not help you?
Yes, it's a help, but I need to make some real money, butcher.
Real money. Is what? You owe somebody? Or you rent you?
I don't want nobody, you know. Between the bar and the farm, that pay me rent. I just need some money to deal with my son.
Marissa, so you don't think we can help you with that?
No disrespecting a butcher, but I just don't want to depend on nobody to deal with my son.